Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 27th of May 2016. So yesterday a very quiet day. We had the one signal that produced the 20-point scalp profit, the market stopping at the 17,800 level and then just trading in a very narrow range for the remainder of the trading session there. And that's why I sent a note out to say there's no point in sitting there watching paint dry. Would have been more fun yesterday. This is reflected in the daily chart. You can see the very narrow range that we had. It's an inside bar, which means that the high and low of yesterday's bar is inside the high and low of Wednesday's price bar. At the moment, the range very narrow as well. And news-wise today, let's have a look. We've got Yellen speaking later at 6:15. That should bring things to life just a little bit, but the market will be hoping she's going to say something about the June 15th FOMC meeting with regards to interest rates, but I very much doubt that she will even go anywhere near that. But that's what they will be hoping for. We've got the revised UOM consumer sentiment at 3 p.m, but other than that, it could be a very quiet day, unless something comes out of nowhere, of course. Also, you need to keep in mind that Monday, it looks like the market's actually closed. It's Memorial Day in the US, it's bank holiday, spring bank holiday in the UK as well. So the next market alert will be for Wednesday, to give the markets a chance to find their feet on Tuesday when they all return. Implied volatility wise, still no chart and still no contact, but 10.86 for the mean for the implied volatility. I've managed to relocate to the Chicago Board of Options Exchange chart. That shows a slightly different figure of 1633, but again, you can still, it's the same pattern that we had on the I volatility chart, but not as good as the I volatility chart, so I'm still working on that one. So personally, I prefer the 10.86. that's a great level for the underlying market to start thinking about moving to the downside. As soon as we get some news, and the lower this figure goes, below 10% would be wonderful, because then we'll see a major and massive sell-off in the underlying market. So really, that's about it for today. Short and sweet to the point. There's not a lot more I can actually say. The market's still waiting for Yellen and the Fed. For some unknown reason, somebody decided that they would speculate that interest rates could increase again in the June meeting, and ever since then the markets have been moving to the upside in anticipation of this, and also to give it something to sell off after they do increase, like what happened during January and February. So that's it really. Have a great weekend. Let's hope the sun shines here in the UK for a change during the bank holiday. Have a good one, and I will see you in Wednesday's edition. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.